Okay, now we are going to connect to the server instance using the MobaXterm. So first of all, what you have to do, we are going to select the instance. Then in the detail section, we will see the public IPv4 address. We are going to copy this one. Then we are going to our MobaXterm, click on the session, click on the SSH. Then in the remote host, we will be giving our IPv4 address, and the username will be Ubuntu. And the advanced setting, we are going to select the keypad that we use to create this instance, and we'll be doing this for our the database also. So let's just do it. Let's this one, open my MobaXterm. Okay, now copy my, sorry. Okay, now I can copy my front end and back end, this one, copy this public IPv4, go to my MobaXterm, click on the session, the SSH, the remote host, the username will be Ubuntu, advanced one. I'm going to select the private key for the front end and back end. I use this front back pump. So let's just open it and click on OK. So everything, if everything is good, then we will be authenticating to the server. You see, we are authenticated. So let's do the same thing for our database. Copy the public IPv4, click on the session, then click on the SSH, the remote host. In the username, we will giving the Ubuntu, and we're going to use the private key that we use, which one is the database. Okay, now we have successfully SSH to both of my servers for the front end, back end, and for the database.